Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we vlogging. I'm starting out, it's almost 10 o'clock. I am ready, but I'm going to start this video out by what's gonna be for like brunch. I've already had my bulletproof coffee at like 6. So we're gonna be out and about, and I did not want to be out and about hungry. So I just have 60 grams of mozzarella cheese. I am going to take one of these jumbo Angus beef burgers, or beef hot dogs. The macros are pretty good. So for one link, it's less than 1 carb, 15 grams of fat, and I hate when I do this. 6 protein, I believe, yeah, so about 6 protein. But yeah, so I'm gonna slice this in half, and then I'm gonna put it in here and then let it cook up, and then I'll just wrap it in there. It's actually a really good like keto meal. So I just like slice them in half, and then I drop them onto that. This plate is pretty shaky. So you're going to just let these fry until it gets really crispy around the edges. If you try to flip it before then, it's gonna stick, and it's gonna get messy, and then you're gonna be aggravated. I know all these things because they've all happened to me. So just be patient and let it cook up probably about 5 or so minutes, and get yourself a little spatula and you can flip it. But there you go. And I'm just going to add it to the plate. And this is going to be our brunch, I suppose, with a bottle of water. And yeah, so I'm gonna cut into it so you guys can see, like, it gets super crispy. You guys can hear it. It's basically like a cheese dog. So yeah, anyways, this is gonna be my first meal. I'm gonna have a bottle of water, and then we are going to hit the road. I'm also gonna throw a little bit of this in my purse. I just got this in the mail, and it's really freaking good. It's the low carb keto granola, so it has 2 net carbs, 18 of fat, and it's the cinnamon almond pecan. I'm gonna show you the macros really quickly. So 18 of fat, we got 10 of carbs, we have 4 fiber and 4 sugar alcohols and 5 protein. So it's very keto friendly, and it shows you right here, great for keto, diabetic, paleo, low carb, and low carb high fat diets. So I'll show you the consistency though, but the serving size is pretty good too. So you could eat this if you wanted to have it with like a cereal too. I'm just gonna throw it in a bag and keep it in my purse. You can see the texture on it. It has some, like, some really good pieces in there. So you can see the almonds and stuff. I'm gonna give some to Leo. He hasn't tried it yet. What do you think?
Pretty good.
It's good, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna just weigh some out and throw it in my bag. I have a nail appointment, and we gotta do some errands today. So we are about to hit the road, Jack. But I will leave a link down below if you guys want to get one of these. It's really freaking good. This would be good to like for cereals, or if you want to do yogurts, or even for some like Christmas desserts, or just for a snack. But all right, I'll check with you guys in a little bit. Hey friends, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a good day. We are still going strong with the Vlogmas thing, but I didn't have a video for you guys today, and I was like, what should I do? What should I do? And I decided today we are going to be vlogging. Today's Wednesday, so you guys will see this tomorrow, which is Thursday. And on Wednesdays, we got this guy with us because that's his day off, and we tend to do like the adulting on Wednesdays. So today I have a nail appointment. I have to go get everything taken off and get a new set. Leo has to do like Home Depot stuff, and I don't know, the things. I gotta get Becky a new folder, and I gotta go home and clean the house and do laundry. On Wednesdays, I always get ready. I do my hair, I put on real clothes. This is my day off from the gym, and I just try to make myself presentable and take a little extra time for me in the morning. So I challenge you guys to do the same. I know, like, I'm very much like, I'm not gonna put on jeans and makeup and waste it when I'm just gonna, you know, do nothing and sit around the house. Or I go to the gym most days, so I'm like, I'm not gonna do that, I'm all sweaty. But on Wednesdays, I do that. So just take a little time for yourself. You'll feel really good about it. But yeah, so we're gonna head into, I'm going to a new nail tech today. You guys really loved these nails, and I do too. But the girl who did them, she filled in an old set, and they actually needed to be pulled off, and they're peeling on the sides, and I feel like water is gonna get trapped underneath there, and I'm afraid of mold, like, or like a fungus. No, we are going to a new nail tech. The girl who did these last ones, she's in California. She only comes to visit and does her mom's stuff, so I didn't get to go see her. But I'm going to a new girl. Her name, I found her on IG. It's Nails by Esmeralda, and she's over in BERWYN. So if you guys are from the Chicagoland area, she's in BERWYN. Her nails look really good, so I was excited to see it. So I made an appointment, and she was like fully booked, and this was the only day I can get one until after the holidays. So I was like, well, looks like we're gonna have to make these nails stay. But I was like, look, make me an Instagram baddie with these nails. Yeah, so I know a lot of people have like a lot of opinions on nails, but I like them long and I like them real blingy and just Instagram baddie. That's my thing. I like those nails even before they were cool, so that's what we're gonna do. And we're snacking on granola. So that's about it. What do you gotta say, babe? Anything good? Are you excited for our Q&A on Saturday?
Oh my god, so excited.
So Saturday's video is going to be a Q&A with me and Leo. I announced it on the community tab here. I announced it on our Facebook page, so make sure you're following us over there. It's the Daniela Diaries Facebook page. And I'm going to announce it today on Instagram as well, so you guys can put in your questions and we are going to sit down and answer them. So ask away. Leo's going to be in it to win it. He's very excited. I'm going to get him a couple cocktails. It's going to be all good. It's going to be all good. But all right, let's go and see what this day. Guys, it's freezing here and it's like snowy. I don't know if you can see. It's like a light snow, like a light dusting, but it's only 19 degrees, but it feels like 5. Tomorrow's gonna be 50. Welcome to the Midwest. All right, so I got a whole new set. She had to take off those other ones and then she gave me a whole new set. Guys, this is probably the best nail experience I've ever had. Every time I've gotten... We'll get into why Leo's enjoying it. Every time I've gotten my nails done, they've taken like an old tip and they like scraped mine off and they ripped them off. This one was literally soaked off. She scraped them. My original nails still look really great. Even the powder she used, you could tell it was different. She took her time. She literally shaped all my nails. Like, I just went ahead and got like white nails with a little bit of glitter in them because these are gonna be like my Christmas nails. Excuse me. These are gonna be my Christmas nails, so I just wanted something, you know, a little festive, and then I'll come back in 2 weeks. But her name was Esme and she was so great. The salon was so nice. It was small, but it was like, every time I thought of like a barber shop, like, you know how like guys go there and they like kick it and have a good time, that's how that place was. I really liked it. As you can tell, I'm in the driver's seat right now because next to the nail salon is a like video gaming bar. What happened?
Nothing.
What were you doing while I was getting my nails done for 2 hours?
I was watching SportsCenter.
And what were you drinking?
Diet Coke.
With
ice.
And whiskey. He was day drinking. So I'm driving now. We have to go and finish our stuff. But look, I'm like the rest of these YouTube moms. Can I like be on their level now or what? Because I got the white nails. But I did get them long because I like them like that. But all right, guys, onwards to the other things we got to do today. All right, so we're going out for some lunch. You know, we do these like dating things. We highly recommend that if you guys are married and you've had kids and your kids are in school, we're learning to be a couple again. So we could do day dates while your kids are away and we're off. So we are going out for some lunch and we are hitting up Portillo's. Portillo's is a Chicago staple. They're known for their hot dogs, their beefs. What else?
Their bacon burger.
And their bacon burgers. So yeah, I'm gonna go order me probably a bacon burger with no bread or something along those lines. So yeah, let's go into Portillo's and see what it's all about. Just so you know, these poor kids, this line right here, hold on, I'm getting out of the car. Oh God. So they have the line usually and it wraps all the way around here and these kids stand out here in all the weather. So they're like in, you smell that? These kids will stand out here in like snowsuits and take your orders. It's crazy. So, all right. Ooh. Oh, and they also have the chocolate shake or the chocolate cake. The Portillo's chocolate cake is one of the things. Definitely not keto, but oh, it smells so good. Oh, they got gyros now too. The hail. All right, so I got the double bacon cheeseburger, and then I got no bun. So the patties are small, though. You guys can see. Leo got the ketchup. I didn't want any ketchup, so we're just gonna cut into that. And then I got a water. But yeah, so eating out, keto, and a Chicago staple, but you can see how cute it is in here. It's kind of like a 50s diner, and they call out your numbers and stuff. They also have a really good salad bar too, if you guys like salad. So alright, so you can see how thick these burgers are. So they're really good, and they got a little bit of cheese on them. They're very, very good. How about it, Lee? How's your food? Is it good?
Very good. I need ketchup.
Didn't even use the ketchup. So, alright, here's what's for lunch on our date. Alright, so I just got home, and these were waiting for me. These are the high key pancake mix. You guys know I love me some high key. Yes, they came out with some pancake mix. I have a really great idea. Let me show you guys something that I got, but these are the macros. So they're sweetened with erythritol and allulose, so that's good. And there's a ton of fiber. You could do coconut oil, some almond milk, and some vanilla extract. I wonder if you could just do it with something else, like with water instead. But, okay, yeah, so I got those. Let me show you what me and Leo got. I want to show him that Twinkie maker. Is it still back here?
Yeah.
All right, we're going, this is my pantry, also known as a closet. Okay, yeah, so me and Leo picked this guy up from the Goodwill, and it was brand new in the box, and it is a Hostess Twinkie maker. Well, I'm trying to like put this up right here. So what if we use that pancake mix and made Twinkies with it, and then, because you can see it has the slots for the Twinkies, and use that pancake mix and then made like our own cream filling with like powdered swerve or something along those lines. What do you think? I'll look up a recipe for like some frosting and do that. What do you guys think? You guys here for it? You guys want to see a video on it? Let me know. Put this back in here. My dad would be really excited to try those because you guys know my dad is low carb. So yeah, I definitely am going to try these out and see how they go. And then I had to go and pick up a folder for Rebecca from school, because hers like completely ripped in half. But Target came out with these. This is their like new line, I guess, the Good and Gather. And they have their own alkaline water with electrolytes. And these were 99 cents. And then they were on the Groupon or the Target app for 25 cents off, so they were 75 cents each. So I picked up a couple of these to have. I love these, and they actually taste really good too. So Walmart has them, Target has them now, and so does, who else has them? Oh, Whole Foods, and Costco actually has some too. So I might pick up a case of those from Costco. So let me know if you guys want to see that, a little review. But I'm really excited to see how these go. I'm really excited. Oh, what's some of the what's the name of that? I can't even think now. Hold on. Let me look for my syrup people here. With the Chalk Zero syrup in there, yes, Chalk Zero has the best syrup ever. It's like really, really good. I have the maple, and then I also have the caramel, and I heard I've also had their chocolate fudge, which is phenomenal. You know, because Benny has to be always in the background. But this Chalk Zero one is so good, and I still have some of the chocolate chips too. So we have that. All right, my friends, I'm probably gonna wrap up this vlog. I'm gonna go pick up the girls from school. I'm gonna go ahead and change out of my clothes and just get in some comfy pajamas, because that's what I do now. But I really want to just talk about the whole dating your spouse thing really quickly. I know that you go from being the girlfriend to the wife, and then you become a mom, and that's just kind of what it is. And then out of nowhere, your kids kind of grow up, and you're just looking at your significant other, and you're just like, hey, you know. And since the girls have all been in school, it's been really hard for me. I've definitely experienced the empty nest thing, and it's given me a chance to kind of like hang out and just enjoy just being with each other now, which is really nice. So we do a lot of like day dates, and we'll go for lunch, or we'll go do some errands, or we'll go whatever we want to do, we can do it. And it's weird because, you know, when you have kids, you kind of, you know, I don't want to take the kid to the store, or they're not gonna act up, and it just allows us to be like just with each other, and it's been really nice. So I really encourage you guys to do that. Remember to date your significant other. What you got to, whatever you did to get them, you got to do to keep them, right? Yeah, so that's kind of what we did today. As you've seen, my nail girl, if you are in the area, I'm gonna leave her down below. I already set myself up for an appointment for 2 weeks. Like, I really love her. I love her. Like, my nails are looking so fabulous. I'm not just like a YouTube mom, I'm a cooler mom. I'm joking. But all right, guys, I will see y'all in the next one. We're doing Vlogmas, so 25 videos, 25 days. Make sure you're subscribed. We are going to do a Q&A this Saturday, so if you have any questions for me and Leo, leave them down below. And I think that's it. Got anything to tell our friends, babe?
Nope.
No? He's still a little buzzed. You still a little buzzed?
No, I'm good.
He's better now after that burger. But all right, guys, I love you, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Take it easy, friends.
Jingle bells ring.